Good morning. So what we have here is another delivery from Mr. Porter. I ordered this Friday evening and it is here now today, Monday morning. So it's so fast. But I'm a little nervous about this one because they are another pair of sneakers. And I haven't tried this one locally. Meaning the sizing, I'm not sure if it's US sizing, European sizing, so yeah, so let us hope that it fits me. Now compared to my previous unboxings, you will see that this doesn't have the Mr. Porter boxes in it because I opted for the more green option, which is recycled or recyclable paper. So that's why we have this, but still it's still presentable. So there you go. This is what we have, and you already know it's Golden Goose. So this is, I believe, is the dust bag, and these are the shoes. Oh my god, they're so cute. I really hope to God that they fit me well. OMG. So these are a pair of Golden Goose sneakers. As you already know, part of the design of the shoes would be that they are distressed. They already have these, like dirty look to them, which is perfect for me because it's no secret that I don't clean my shoes. I know I'm gross, but yeah, I think yeah, they're very, very nice and very cute. But the next test would be, the more important thing is to try them on now. So I'll be back. And here they are. I tried them on, and luckily, I'm so happy they fit me. Sorry for my chicken legs. And you'll have to bear seeing them, but yeah. Terms of fit and comfort, so I am a size 6 US. I got the 39, which is sometimes I go a size back. There's still some space right over here, but I think if I go a size back, it'll be like too tight for me. So I think going for your actual size would be best. And in terms of comfort, well, this is the first time I'm wearing them, so I still have to break them in, but so far they feel pretty comfortable. But I have to say my Gucci sneakers are way more comfortable, softer. Maybe your high-end Stan Smiths, the ones made of leather, would be more comfortable. But yeah, altogether, not bad. I got this on sale, 25% off. So yes, I think it's a steal. So I'm very happy. Yeah, let me know if you have questions. Bye.